this is Josh from MarineMax in New York. Today we're on a 2016 Azimut Atlantis 50. So you see here this boat has a very large swim platform that will descend into the water. Great to spend the day, kids swimming. Also has a launch garage here. Could be used for a tender or your water toys that you want to take with you. So we come aboard. You notice a large sun pad here. Perfect for entertaining, spending the day in the sun. Come on board. This boat has a nice aftermarket enclosure. Really does a good job of keeping the heat and the air inside the cockpit when you're out on the water. As we step inside, you notice you have a day sink, a grill, a TV that raises up, large area for seating, nice table, very solid. Come in. This boat is also equipped with the joysticks, makes it easy to pilot. Very nice home. Large Brave Marine electronics, autopilot, VHF radio on board, big sunroof here, perfect for a great day if you want to let the air and the natural elements in. So we step inside. Nice galley area here, plenty of seating. Nice full-size fridge. 3-burner stove. Oven down there, convection. Nice sink. Another little area for space. So come here, have accessible head. Stepping into the VIP, you have another separate entrance to the head. Plenty of room. You also have a TV behind this door. Difficult to see. So we step back to the VIP. Follow me. Plenty of space. Have a TV at the foot of the bed. A nice big storage closet over there with a washer and dryer behind that mirror. Nice big cabinet, plenty of room to store all your clothes or swim gear or anything else that you like to bring with you. VIP has its own head, shower, nice area. Walk back through the boat, really a tremendous boat. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call down here at MarineMax, Huntington, New York. We'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.